Thank you for helping me, Teacher Onga, for identifying another stream of income. I joined Teacher Onga's class not quite long ago, around February this year, and I made my first order. And here is it. I have received it. All thanks to Teacher Onga. I have received it. I have received them all. This is my first order. I joined Literate Academy class not quite long ago, and here is it. I have received them all. Thank you, Teacher Onga. Thank you, Teacher Onga. So, and to everyone who is listening, I just want to encourage you and positively encourage you that wherever you see Teacher Onga's class, please join. It will be of good benefit to you. Thank you, Teacher Onga.